Hi everybody, welcome to today's cookbook adventure. We are using the Blueberry Cookbook and we'll try and make some blueberry yogurt popsicles. The heat in Nairobi, we need to cool down, and you're going to cool down with this yummy blueberry yogurt popsicles. My name is Carol. Welcome to today's video and let's see what we are working with. Blueberries in my blender, plain yogurt. You can also use Greek yogurt, honey, and some lemon juice. In the blender, I'll pour my lemon juice. I'll put in the honey. So you need to get the book to get the exact measurements for the ingredients. That's enough. Now we're going to blend until smooth. So I'm going to whisk the yogurt to remove any lumps. Then I'll add a few drops of some liquid stevia because my yogurt is plain, to sweeten it a bit. So we are going to drizzle the blended berries over the yogurt. Then we are going to stir this a bit. We're going to spoon our mixture